Hello all, today we will learn the basic functions of Microsoft Excel, Sumifs and Countifs. There is often a need to sum up the values of one item or object that repeats multiple times in our data. That can be done by applying filter, but then we would see only the sum of filtered object. Hence, to take sum of all objects in any given table, Sumifs function is used. Likewise, there is often a need to count all the object names or string values that repeat multiple times in our data. To count them all, Countifs function is used. Let's begin with Sumifs function. For this, click in the cell where you want the values of particular item to be summed up. Then insert equals to sign followed by Sumifs. Then open the parenthesis. Now select the values given in M column which need to be summed up. Then put comma. Then select the range of items from the table against which the values need to be summed up. Then put comma. Then select particular item against which the values have to be added in the cell. Close the parenthesis. Hit enter, we get the values of Honda summed up in its respective column. To avoid repeating the insertion of function, simply copy and paste it down against the other cars. In last row, the copy-paste wouldn't bring the correct values because the function would follow the sequence of table items, hence it would bring the value of Honda instead of Suzuki. To correct it, press F2. Here just delete the last parameter and insert the relevant item by selecting it from the table. Hit enter, here we get the correct value of Suzuki. To verify if the values summed up against each vehicle are correct, we can either select the values from all cells of one car and view below the sum of all. Now let's learn the Countifs function. Insert the equal sign, write Countifs and open the parenthesis. Then select the range of items from the column which contains the letters or string items. And put comma. Then select one item which has to be counted from entire range or its multiple times repetition has to be counted. Then close the parenthesis and hit enter. To avoid repetition of inserting the function separately, just copy and paste to all the cells below. However, the last cell would count incorrect due to sequence of items in table. To correct it, press F2. Then delete the last parameter of the function and select the reference item whose count has to be taken. And hit enter, we get the correct value of count of the Suzuki from entire range. To apply the same Countifs function on different columns to check if that works same there too, just select the range of next column, then put comma and select the item whose repetition has to be counted. And close the parenthesis and hit enter, we get count of SUV's count of repetition from the entire selected range. Let's write the names of counted items in front of the values. Like SUV against the first column. And sedan against the second column. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for more such videos. Share in comments what you think and what Microsoft Excel functions you're interested to learn. See you in our next video. Till then, take care.